Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issue on iPhone in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Enable and disable aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable aeroplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Reset. On the Reset page, tap Reset Network Setting. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.